Information Network of Kansas delivers world-class digital government solutions. And for the past 3 years, we've held a technology showcase for our partners, which include the official state Kansas agencies and elected officials. At the showcase, we interact with the latest and greatest technologies, ultimately exploring the ways we can make our experiences with government more convenient. While we work to find solutions, we are able to see the world around us differently with virtual reality. Feel the wind in our hair from drones as we watch in awe. Interact with our custom Alexa skills that help Kansans on a daily basis. And work together to create new solutions that will advance our great state and improve the everyday lives of Kansans.